Myrtle Beach and the Grand Strand as a whole is running a beach renourishment program along the coast. This is critical for the habitats of sea turtles, shorebirds, any sort of marine wildlife that relies on the sand of the shore to sustain itself and its future generations. So it's important that they put this sand back. Through erosion, weathering, and whatnot, sand naturally is pulled off the shore. The nature of a coastline such as this is that it's dynamic, it moves. And when you build towers like that over there, you're basically saying from now on, this is the coast. And nature doesn't want to do that. Nature wants to change and erode and move. So as the sand goes out via storms and whatnot, we got to pump it back in. So all of this is sand being pumped in from the bottom of the ocean. The work that's going on here, as you see, they're only closing off portions of the beach at a time, segments, so people can still utilize the beach. But they're estimating to renourish anywhere from 200 to 300 feet of beach, linear feet of beach a day. So the progress may sound slow, but over time they are going to renourish a good bit of shoreline. The project actually covers Myrtle Beach, Surfside Beach, Garden City Beach, and North Myrtle Beach. That's 8 miles of Myrtle Beach, 4 miles of Surfside, 4 miles of Garden City, and 2 miles of North Myrtle Beach. So if you pull up a map and look at it, that's a lot of sand that needs to be pumped in. That entire beach line is going to require 1.4 million cubic yards of material that is pumped in and placed. So that pipe there, that high pressure line, it's a slurry of water and sand, and they are pumping it through and placing it so that this beach can maintain and stay beautiful. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.